Please fly away from me. I have to set you free before the winter. Little bird, it's getting dark outside, so find your friends and fly on home. 'Cause all the time that you spend locked in here is time that I have cherished with you near. But if it's not too late, I'd like to send you on your way. So come on, little bird, fly on home. Little bird, your colors shine so bright, so young and full of life, now get on home. Little bird, there's no reason you're still here. Now come on, disappear and leave me be. Though I'd like to hold you through the year and whisper little goodies in your ear, it's time for me to say that you should get out on your way. So come on, little bird, fly on home. And though I wanna keep you all to myself, to know that you sing for nobody else, I have to set you free to rid me of my jealousy. So come on, little bird, fly on home. Little bird, please fly away from me. I have to set you free before the winter. Little bird, sing your song out nice and loud. You needed to be proud of what you are. 'Cause though I gave you shelter all this time, protected you from cold and angry skies, it's time for me to say that you should get out on your way. So come on, little bird, come on, little bird, fly on home, fly on home, fly on home, fly